This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on TLauncher. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a direct link or pair it via Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Make sure your computer recognizes the controller as an input device. Then, download and install DS4 Windows, a vital tool that helps your computer understand the controller's inputs. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open it and confirm your PlayStation 4 controller is detected. Next, create a new profile specifically for Minecraft or select an existing one. This is where you'll map the controller buttons to mimic keyboard and mouse actions. For instance, assign the left stick to movement and the right stick to camera control, ensuring every in-game action has a corresponding button. With DS4 Windows configured, launch TLauncher and start Minecraft. Once in the game, navigate to the Control Settings menu. Here, you can fine-tune various options like sensitivity for aiming and movement. Experiment with these settings to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for your gameplay style, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience with your PlayStation 4 controller. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both DS4 Windows and TLauncher. It often resolves minor glitches. Also, regularly check for updated drivers for your PlayStation 4 controller and DS4 Windows to ensure optimal compatibility and performance. For a more stable connection, especially during intense gaming sessions, consider using a wired USB connection instead of Bluetooth. These steps will help you enjoy Minecraft with your controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.